Yeah, I know like the videos looked really like I was like fine. I was like, it's like a normal fit, but inside I was like really, really like nervous, really shook up. But like, what I was thinking was just get out of here as smoothly, as swiftly as possible. It's crazy, really, because I was trying to put it in my back of my memory, trying not to worry about it. Then all of a sudden, like it all went like viral and like loads of different parts of social media. I think the person who had it recorded on their like doorbell, I think they put it on Facebook to like show it to start with. Then all of a sudden, it was going on every bit of social media. When I was in the exam, I should try my best not to think about it, but I was still a little bit like shaken up by it throughout. But yeah, try not to think of it.